Once upon a time in a vibrant green forest, there lived a wise old oak tree named Oliver. Oliver was no ordinary tree. He was magical because of photosynthesis. Every day, Oliver taught the young plants in the forest about the magic within them. Photosynthesis is truly magical, Oliver explained to the curious young saplings that gathered at his roots. It's what makes us grow and what allows us to breathe. It all begins with a bit of sunlight. The sun shone brightly, sending light energy cascading onto Oliver's leaves. This is where the light-dependent reactions happen, Oliver continued. The light energy is absorbed by pigments called chlorophyll, just like when we get energized after a good meal. The young plants listened closely, imagining themselves absorbing sunlight like a delicious treat. So, the light gives us energy? Asked Lily, a sprightly young fern. That's right, Lily, Oliver replied. The sun's energy helps us create something called ATP and NADPH, which are like our own special food. Next, Oliver described the magic of the Calvin cycle. This part doesn't need light, isn't that interesting? It's called the light-independent reactions, he explained. Here, we use the ADP and NADPH to turn the air around us into food. Their eyes widened with wonder. Oliver swayed his branches as he explained the photosynthesis equation. 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy turns into glucose and 6O2, he said proudly. It's quite the recipe, and it's happening in the chloroplasts, the kitchen inside our leaves. The young plants took every word to heart, realizing how important photosynthesis was for their growth and for the world around them. Lily asked again, what would happen without photosynthesis? Oliver paused, then replied, without photosynthesis, we would not grow, and the animals and humans wouldn't have oxygen to breathe. It supports us and every living thing like a giant, life-enabling hug for our planet. The young plants marveled at the idea that this magical process happened within them every day. Thank you, Oliver, they said in unison, grateful for the lesson. The wisdom of photosynthesis allowed them to grow strong and contribute to the lush, breathing forest around them. And so, they tightly held onto the magic within them, promising to share what they learned with others. They knew that with each passing sunlit day, they were part of something truly wonderful and essential for the Earth's well-being.